To get Zelle on Chime, you need to follow a few simple steps. First, make sure you have a Chime bank account and the Chime mobile banking app. If you do not have an account, you can sign up for one on the Chime website or through the app. Once you have your Chime account and the app, open the app and log into your account. Navigate to the Payments tab, where you will find the option to send money with Zelle. If you do not see Zelle, you may need to enroll in the service. To enroll in Zelle, go to the Chime website and click on the Send Money with Zelle option. You will be asked to review and agree to the terms of service. Then you will be prompted to add your phone number or email address to enroll. After enrolling, you can use Zelle to send money to friends and family who have Zelle through their bank or credit union. To send money, select the recipient's phone number or email address. Enter the amount you want to send, and add a note if you want. Review the transaction details, then confirm the payment. It is essential to note that to use Zelle with Chime, you need to have a qualifying Chime account, such as a Chime spending account or a Chime checking account, and you must be at least 18 years old. Additionally, you need to have a US-based phone number and a US-based bank account to use Zelle. As a best practice, always review the transaction details carefully before confirming a payment, and only send money to people you know and trust. Also, be aware of any transaction limits or fees associated with using Zelle through Chime. By following these steps and best practices, you can easily get Zelle on Chime and start sending money to friends and family quickly and securely.